Welcome students, I am Ashim sir. Today we are going to start with the new chapter of sphere, that is chapter 12. At first, I take a circular plate which is made by cardboard. Clear? Uh, and this is folded into two equal parts and cuts this semicircular portion along this diameter. Likewise, this is the semicircular portion. Next, uh, we rotate this portion, uh, the diameter like as a axis. Taking axis this diameter, we rotate this semicircular portion. Then we get a solid figure which is called sphere, just like a tennis ball. This is an example of a sphere. The number of surface of a sphere, that is only one surface, and this surface is called curved surface. And radius of the sphere, that means if we cut off the sphere with its middle portion, then we get a circle, and radius of this circle is called radius of the sphere. And also height of the sphere, this equals to length of the diameter of the sphere. The diameter of the sphere is called height. This is height. If radius is r units, then curved surface area, for the sphere, this is only one surface. This is called curved surface area or whole surface area. This equal to 4 pi r square. And the volume of the sphere, this equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube cubic units. If we divide this sphere into two equal part, then we get a hemisphere. This is the shape of the hemisphere. And there are two type of hemisphere. One is hollow hemisphere and another is solid hemisphere. The hollow hemisphere means here number of surface only one, that is curved surface only one. This is the number of surface, and this is the hollow portion. And for the solid hemisphere, the number of surface are two. This is the curved surface and this is the plane surface. So curved surface area, the total surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square, and the curved surface area of the hemisphere, this will be 2 pi r square, because 4 pi r square by 2, that is 2 pi r square. And the total surface area for the solid hemisphere, that is curved surface area 2 pi r square, and this is the circular portion, this is pi r square, so that is 3 pi r square. And volume of the hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube, because volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Next I start from exercise 12, sum number 4. Here given radius of the sphere, that is 28 by 2, that is 14 centimeter. What will we find? Find the volume of water displaced by the sphere. This sphere, sum number 4 is the sphere is completely immersed into the water. Then find the volume of the water displaced by the sphere. So by Archimedes law, we know that the volume of the water displaced by the sphere, this equals to volume of the sphere. So volume of the sphere, that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So answer will be this. Next, sum number 6. Sum number 6